You remove these, 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Then inside there is screws inside them. See, it's very hard to get in the picture, but there is 3 screws. I use this one, 5/16. To remove the screws from inside. 3 from this cover. Then you have this piece, see it here? It's a plastic cover, cosmetic. You just pinch it from the sides, from here, this side, and from this side you can do it with your finger or a screwdriver, and you just pull it out and it goes out. Then you have other screws in it from this hole here. See this side? 1, and you got another one here. So in total you have 5 screws. In total 5 screws, 5 bolts, you remove them. Then you have to remove the backlight of it. So how did I do that? Is after you remove the screws, you pull it from here, from the side, and from the other side. If it doesn't come out, you use this. See, yeah? You put it under and click. You don't be afraid you hear the noise, it's the clips only. Pulled up, all the screws, you can see them. You can see the ones you pulled also from the bottom. All the ones you pulled, yeah. So you see the hinge. Then I unscrewed these. Just 2 on each side, and this was the one I used. It's a 7/16. Yeah. After you remove that, you remove the screw from inside. This one here, I used my drill bit. It's a star. I don't know if you can see it here. The hole in it. Yeah, it just fit perfect. Was rusted out. Not good. And broken. See, this was in it too. It's ruined. This is how it looked like after you remove it. See, you have the hole in it. It's removed. You just place the new one. And the new one comes with a bolt and the rubber piece, so it goes around the windshield so it doesn't break it, the glass in the back. I'll show you now how it goes. If you are metric, it's the best to use the 10mm because it's metric. But I used because I didn't have that one. You have this plastic piece, and the rubber goes on it. This goes right there. See it? Then this piece goes on the windshield, just like that. It goes in. Then you put this piece like that. That's it. It fits. And this is how it looks.